How to create Gmail account without phone number. If you want to create your Gmail account without a phone number, let me simply guide you through the entire process. Now what you have to do is you simply have to make sure you can use the Gmail app to create a new account, but I already have multiple accounts there. So in this case, I'll simply open up my Chrome browser and I'll just go to gmail.com from my web browser. Once I go to gmail.com, you can say it will ask me to sign in. So what I will do is instead tap on this little option here that says create account and select it, and I will select for my own personal use. Now we can simply choose a name of our particular Gmail we want to have, and we can go ahead and tap the next option. And we can choose our birth date. So make sure that you select at least that you're over 18 years of age whenever you select your particular date of birth, and followed up with your gender and tap on the next option. When we do that, this is going to be a unique username, also going to be used as an email address. So you have to be very careful on this. Make sure that it's not too easy, but at the same time not so difficult that you are going to forget it. So let me come up with my own brand username as well. Once I've come up with a particular username, or I would also call it an email address, I can tap on the next option. And after you enter your email address, you can say it's going to ask me to enter my password. And once you're done entering your password, your account will be successfully created without you having to enter your phone number. And this was it for today's video on how you can create a Gmail account without relying on a phone number. I hope that this video helped you out, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.